work for the total here. We're going to work for the total here. The total number of times open will give us this one, the total here. Okay, so we are going to use what we call count if. So you bring your equal sign, then you enter count if, then you open your bracket. We are going to select the range from here up to this side, then you bring comma, then you bring quotation marks. So we are using P for present and then A for absent. So P, then you put it in your quotation mark, then bring your bracket, then you press enter. Okay. Then let's autofill it. Now let's see, we have here absent, present, see, that is counting. Okay, so that is that. Then total so far, so that one will be the number of weeks, the week, 5 days, the number of days that the student was present. So that one we make reference to this. So you bring your equal sign, then you select this and press enter. Then you autofill it. Okay. So we are going to do the same thing for the rest of the weeks. Do the same thing. Here, go to then count if. So that is what we are going to do for the rest of the week, for all the weeks. And the total so far for this will be that of the first week, the total so far for the first week, and then the total for the second week. Okay. Okay, so you bring your equal to class, then you press your enter. Okay. Then you autofill it. So we are going to do the same thing for the rest of the week. Okay. So equal to So I'll leave you here for you to continue for the rest of the week. Okay, so see you later.